Hi guys, in this video we will look at setting up users. I would like to note that users are an optional element of the application. To create a new user, you need to the section Users and right-click New User. I have already created two users, Operator and Engineer. Let's look at the properties of Operator. We have set password for him. Access level. Depending on this, the user may be prohibited from writing values to any tag and from opening some screens. For the main screen, we set the access level to 0, so the operator will have access to the main screen. And for the report screen, access level is set to 10, which is greater than the operator's. So operator will not be able to open the report screen. For the field tag, we set access level to 10, so operator will not be able to write values to this tag. And for the tags blue, green and red, we set access level to 0. Therefore, the operator can change the values of these tags. Let's go back to operator's properties. The following is a list of user rights. Control functions means the user's ability to write values into the server's tags. You can flexibly configure user access to tags by combining control functions and access level. In our case, the operator will be able to write values to tags, but only those to which he has access level. Acknowledge events. Check if you want the user to be able to acknowledge events in events database. Delete events. Check if you want the user to be able to delete events from events database. Insert events. Check if you want Tesla SCADA runtime to add events to the database during execution when the user is logged in. We recommend checking this box for the user under whose name the application is running all the time. Insert history. Check if you want Tesla SCADA runtime to add historical data to the database during execution when the user is logged in. We also recommend checking this box for the user under whose name the application is running all the time. Settings. If you check it, the user will be able to enter settings menu in Tesla SCADA runtime application. Edit recipes. If you check it, the user will be able to add, edit and delete recipes fields. Can close. Check if you want to let this user to close the application, Tesla SCADA ID or Tesla SCADA runtime. Can stop. Check if you want to let this user to stop execution of the project. It is better to leave these two permissions to a higher user level, so that the application is always running and historical data is written to the database. Save control operation. Check this box if you want operations of writing values to a tag by this user to be saved in the event database. They will be saved if alarms are enabled in the tag properties. Priority. Enter the priority of user operation events. In the events table, you can sort the operations of a given user by priority. And the second user is engineer. He has a higher access level, so he has access to all screens and can write values to all tags, and he has all rights. In order to see which user is working with the application, we'll use graphic object text input field and its property text input, and also system tag, system current username. Here we will display the current username. Let's see how it works in Tesla SCADA runtime. Run the project. Log in as operator. We have a script in the project which automatically sets the values for the field tag. The script runs every project update cycle, and I set the cycle duration to 5 seconds. That is, every 5 seconds, the value of the field tag changes randomly. Also for this tag, I set events that will be displayed in the events table. We will set values to the red, blue, green tags ourselves, and objects bound to these tags will be redrawn every 5 seconds. We logged as operator and we see the current username is displayed here. Let's try to enter the screen with reports. And we see operator has not enough access level. Now let's try to change the value of the field tag. And you can see the value is not applied because operator does not have enough access level. Now let's change the red, blue and green tags. And you see, here operator has such an ability because the access level for these tags are the same as the operators. During an operator session, events are written to the database and they are displayed in the events table, but the operator cannot edit them, only view. The operator cannot stop the project. You can see the application is still running and cannot close application. We also created two buttons, login and logout, with the same functions. The login function allows you to log in as a different user without closing the project. Now let's log in as engineer and do the same operations. Here we can see the current username. We can go to reports screen. We can edit the events table. We can change the values of the field tag. Here we can see tag change by engineer, previous value, and the current value. And if we click logout button, the application will automatically continue working under operator. The logout function logs out the current user while the application does not close, but continues to work under the user with the lowest access level. Let's log in as engineer again and try to stop the project. You see, we can do this. And also, engineer, according to the conditions we set, can exit the application. That's all. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us by email or in our forum. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. Thank you for watching.